Hello, good morning from dhulikhel. म चाहिँ साथमा नेपाली बोय हैन and the view, oh my god, यस्तो बवाल हैन आज फ्राइडेको दिन हैन भ्यू यस्तो बवाल भ्यू छ हैन बवाल so here we at Sukute beach हैन यो बोट देखेपछि हैन बोट त नभनु कायाक भन्नु मेला हैन यो कायाक देखेपछि थाहा हुन्छ कि Sukute beach पुग्यो भनेर so this is Sukute beach adventure resort equator expectation हजुर
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me?
So finally Sukute beach आइपुग्यो है यहाँ अब हिजो स्टे गर्नेहरू 12 बजे चेकआउट हुन्छ होला है सायद हामी चाहिँ यहाँ बस्छौँ बस्दैनौँ I don't know है रेस्टुरेन्ट एरिया उल्टा बिहान Hello man, what's up? सायद यो बच्चाहरूको लागि होला लास्ट टाइम आउँदाखेरि यो थिएन हैन स्कुल एरिया यता सम चेयर्स कति वर्ष भयो यार लास्ट मैले भर्खर भ्लग गर्न थाले ठाउँ मतलब भ्लग गर्न थालेपछि चाहिँ यहाँ आएको हैन स्कुलको फ्रेन्ड्स वी जस्ट मोटो भ्लग ओ अहिले त दुईटा स्विमिङ पुल ओ थाहै थिएन यार दुईटा स्विमिङ पुल रहेछ अहिले त ठुलो स्क्रिन रहेछ यहाँ स्पिकरहरू रहेछ and the flow wow babal
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. 'Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. 'Cause all I want, and I pray.
A few moments later.